Hi, I'm Tram, and for the next 3 minutes, I'm going to talk about the most boring thing on the planet, taxes. Every year, over 200 million Europeans waste billions of hours and spend billions of pounds getting their taxes sorted. And the way they do it hasn't really changed for the last 15 years. You either pay through the nose for an accountant or spend countless hours filling forms you can't understand. In a world where bank accounts can be opened in just a few taps, why are taxes still done like it's the 90s? That's exactly why we created TaxScouts, to solve that very problem. Me and my co-founders Dan and Kaupo met working together. We have seen firsthand how entire industries can be changed when you combine people and the right technology. We want to bring this change to the world of taxes. What TaxScouts does is dead simple. We let anyone get their taxes sorted online with just a couple of clicks by an accredited professional at the fraction of the normal cost. We basically make taxes simple and affordable for everyone. So, what's our secret sauce? It's one word: automation. Our proprietary software automates the most time-consuming bits of work for tax experts: sales, data collection, communication, payments processing. In short, the boring bits that take time and cost money. We take these savings and pass them on to our customers, offering a super easy and low-cost way of sorting taxes for anyone. And our customers love us. We've been growing fast and been listed amongst the top 100 fintechs in the UK. Since launch, on average, we've tripled the number of our customers every year. We started out in 2018, but 2021 has been pivotal. It saw the start of our extremely successful expansion to the rest of Europe. We launched in Spain and have grown there 3 times as fast as we did in the UK during our first year of operation. And the next year is going to be even more exciting. We're doubling down on our growth in Spain in preparation on our further European expansion after 2022. And we plan to continue rolling out additional services for our existing customers. We'd love you to join on this journey, fixing the hell of tax preparation for everyone. We take the savings, pass them on to our customers. Let's do it again. Cut. All right, now we'll do it seriously. All right, cool, let's try it again.